Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course Problem Solving through Programming in C by Professor Anupam Basu, IIT Kharagpur. The week 5 contents is available here and the week 5 programming assignments is also available here. In this video I will provide you the solution of week 5 programming assignments. The last date of submission is 31st of August 2023. So the first programming assignment is the write a C program to check whether a given number is a perfect number or not. So the perfect number is a positive number which is equal to the sum of its proper divisors. For example, 6 is a perfect number because its proper divisors are 1, 2, 3 and its sum is equal to 6. So we have to find out the sum of the perfect divisors and then compare the original number with the sum of divisors. If both are equal, then we print the perfect, it is a perfect number, otherwise not a perfect number. So this code is already given here. The value of n is taken from the user. We have to create a variable sum, initialize with 0, that contains the sum of perfect divisors. Take a loop for I equal to 1 to less than equal to n by 2. So check if n is divisible by I, then add the I value with sum. This loop adds the find the sum of the perfect divisors, and then after the loop compare the sum of perfect divisor with the original number. If sum equal to n, then print perfect, it is a perfect number, otherwise not a perfect number. So this is the solution of programming assignment 1. Now click on the compile and run button for the to test the public test cases. Now the test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button to check the private test cases. The private test cases also passed successfully. So the next is programming assignment 2. In this, write a C program to count total number of digits of an integer number n. So this code is already given here. The n is taken from the user and then we have to print this like this. So in this code, first we declare a variable count and initialize with the 0 to keep track of the number of digits. And we have to create a original n. It is used to store the original value of n, because after the loop the value of n is 0. So we store the value of n into this. Then if n is less than 0, if the value of n is less than 0, then we have to become a positive. We have to create that become positive. Or if n equal to 0, then initialize set the count equal to 1. Use this loop to count the digits while n is greater than 0. Use the loop. In this loop, increase the count and divide n by 10. So this will find out the number of digits in a particular number and print the number of digits like this. So first compile and run the code for the public test case. Now public test cases are passed successfully. Now click on the submit button. For the private test cases. Private test case passed successfully. Now next is programming assignment 3. Write a C program to check whether the given number n can be expressed as the power of 2 or not. For example, 8 can be expressed as 2 power 3. So n is taken from the user. We have to print this or this. So this is the code. If n is greater than 0 and and n minus 1. This is the logical bitwise AND is used here. If both the conditions are true, both the conditions the ending is 0, then print the number that can be expressed as a power of 2, otherwise it cannot be expressed as a power of 2. So this is the code, very simple code to find out the whether a given number can be expressed as a power of 2 or not. So first compile and run to check for the private test cases. The public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. The public test case has passed successfully. Next is the programming assignment 4. We have to write a C program to find the sum of the following series. The series is given here: 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 1 by n. The sum is declared here that it stores the sum, and the n value, that the number of terms, is taken from the user. So write a loop from 1 to n and add the 1 by I with the sum, and finally print the sum out of the loop, outside the loop. So this is the code for the to find out the sum of this series. So this is the code, very simple code. Now click on the compile and run button for the public test cases. The public test case passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test case. The private test case is passed successfully. So please submit it on or before 31st of August 2023, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.